The topic is permutations and combinations. Permutations and combinations is the extension of additions and multiplications of mathematics. Here we have principles of counting. Means one is addition, the second one is multiplication. Now addition principle. What it says, suppose one operation can be done in m ways and another operation can be done in n ways with no common way among them. If one of these operations is to be performed, then there are m plus n ways to do it. For better understanding, we will take one example. A restaurant offers 5 types of fruit juices and 3 types of milkshakes. If a customer wants to order a drink, how many choices does the customer have? That means restaurant offers total 5 fruit juices and 3 milkshakes, but the customer wants only one drink. Therefore, the customer have total 5 plus 3. Total 8 options are there for the customer. He can choose any one of his favorite. Therefore, total 8 choices for the customer. This is called addition principle. Means the two events are independent. He can choose from fruit juices or he can choose from milkshake. Now, what is multiplication principle? If one operation can be carried out in m ways, followed by the second operation that can be carried out in n ways, and these two operations are independent, then the two operations can be carried out in m into n ways. Same. To understand better, one example लेंगे. Suppose 5 chocolates of different type are to be distributed among 4 children, and there is no condition on how many chocolates a child can get. Including 0 means, that means a child cannot get a single chocolate also. So how many different ways are possible for doing so? Right. Coming to the solution, the first chocolate can be given to any of the 4 children. Therefore, there are 4 different ways of giving first chocolate, right? If one chocolate is distributed, then for second chocolate can be given in 4 different ways again for the same 4 children. Therefore, it is also the same thing. And remaining chocolates also having the same choices. Therefore, by the principle of multiplication, the total number of ways is 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, which is equal to 4 to the power of 5, which is equal to 1025 ways. We can distribute these 5 chocolates among that 4 children. This is called multiplication principle. Only examples learn करने से हमको subject नहीं आएगा. Therefore, we will learn exercise. Therefore, now exercise 3.1. Question number 1. So, I will share the textbook. What is the question number 1 in exercise 3.1? A teacher wants to select the class monitor in a class of 30 boys and 20 girls. In how many ways can the monitor be selected if the monitor must be a girl? So, read the question carefully once again and coming to the answer. In a class, number of boys is equal to 30. Number of girls is equal to 20. And here we will make 3 questions. In your question, only 1 question they asked, but we will prepare 3 questions. Why? Because your textbook answer is different, and for this particular question the answer is different. So, what I am doing? I am doing 3 cases. Teacher wants to select one monitor for the class. Then what is the first option? Number of ways that can be selected a boy monitor. Total how many boys are there? 30 boys. Therefore, you have 30 ways. Therefore, your answer is 30. Second one. Number of ways that can be selected a girl monitor. This is your question. 20 girls are there, therefore only 20 ways. The last, your textbook answer means number of ways that can be selected a boy or girl as monitor. We have 30 options for boys, 20 options for girls. Therefore, we have to select a monitor, either a boy or girl. Therefore, 50 ways, that is 50 choices we have. Therefore, we have 50 choices. Now, second question. A signal is generated from two flags by putting one flag above the other. If four flags of different colors are available, how many different signals can be generated? How many different signals can be generated? So what we have? We have four flags of different colors, and what we have to do to generate two flags of different colors. So available flags for required flags to generate signals is equal to 2, and the signals are different signals. Generate different signals. 2. Suppose the signal is there. Two signals, one above the other. So, for first signal, we can use four different flags. That means four ways are there to generate first signal, and then to generate second signal we have only three options, three ways. Listen carefully. Why? Because we have to generate different colored signals. So already one color used in first signal, then the same color you cannot use in the second signal. Therefore, total 4, and already used 1, 4 minus 1, 3 colors available for second signal. Therefore, 3. Therefore, what is the answer now? So, what is the question? How many different signals can be generated? Therefore, number of signals can be generated is equal to number of signals can be generated is equal to 4 into 3, 12. Understood? Yes. Now question number 3. How many two-letter words can be formed using letters from the word space when repetition of letters is allowed and is not allowed? Two different cases. If repetition is allowed, so how many two-letter words you can form? If repetition is not allowed, then how many two-letter words can be formed? What is the given word? Given word is space. Therefore, the letters are S, P, A, C, A. That is total 5 letters are available. 5 letters are available with us. Now, to form a two-letter word, see whether the word is meaningful or meaningless. That is not our case. We have to generate only two-letter words. That's it. First one. If repetition is allowed, two-letter words चाहिए हमें. 1, 2. Total how many letters are there? 5 letters. Therefore, you can choose any one of the letter. That means 5 ways you have for first letter. And here repetition is allowed. इसका मतलब you can use the same letter again. That means you have 5 options for the second letter also. Therefore, total number of ways to form a two-letter word is 5 into 5, that is 25. Second question. Here repetition is not allowed. If repetition is not allowed, therefore two-letter word. फर्स्ट लेटर के लिए 5 ऑप्शंस यस अवेलेबल है. सपोज मैंने यस इधर यूज़ किया है, तो आई कैन नॉट यूज़ द सेम यस इन द नेक्स्ट लेटर. वाई? बिकॉज रिपीटिशन इज नॉट अलाउड. हियर 5 ऑप्शंस आई हैव. सो मैंने एक लेटर यूज़ किया है. देन हाउ मेनी रिमेनिंग ऑप्शंस आर देयर फॉर सेकेंड लेटर? यस, ऑब्वियसली 4. Therefore, for second letter we have 4 options. So leave the yes and you can choose any 4. Means from the 4 any letter you can choose. That is here 4 options we have. Therefore, total number of ways to form a two-letter word is 5 into 4, which is equal to 20 is your answer. Now question number 4. So let us see what is the question number. Good. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed from the digits 0, 1, 3, 5, 6 if repetition of digits is allowed and is not allowed? Means 2 cases again. So how many digits are given? 0, 1, 3, 5, 6. Total 5 numbers are given. and you have to form 3-digit number only. Therefore, if repetition allowed and not allowed, two cases are given again. Therefore, what are the given numbers? 0, 1, 3, 5, 6. Given numbers are 0, 1, 3, 5, 6. Means total 5 numbers are given, or 5 digits. It is easy, right? 5 digits. And to form a 3-digit number, case 1, if repetition is allowed. Yes, 3 numbers, 1 digit, 2nd digit, 3rd digit. Means 3-digit numbers hundreds place, tens place, units place. And we have 0 also as one of the digit. If hundreds place is filling with 0, then tens and units you can fill with any other number, then it will become a 2-digit number. Means it is not our case. Therefore, for hundreds place we have only 4 options. Repetition is allowed. Therefore, now what about tens place and units place? You have 5 digits, you can use 0 also. Therefore, 5 for tens place and 5 for units place. Therefore, total number of ways to form a number, that is 3-digit number, is 4 into 5 into 5, which is equal to 4 5s 20, 25s 100, means 100 numbers we can form. Second, repetition is not allowed. Again here 3 digits, 1, 2, this is hundreds place, this is tens, and this is units. So as we discussed earlier, we cannot use 0 as the hundreds place digit. Therefore, here we have 4 options. Means already 1 digit is used, and in tens place 0 also we can use. So again 5 hundreds place का 1 निकाल दिया तो 5 minus 1 4 options are there. Now for units place, hundreds place 1 minus करो and tens place का भी 1 minus करो. Therefore you have 3 options for units place. Therefore total number of ways to form a 3-digit number is 4 into 4 into 3. 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48. If repetition is not allowed, 48 ways are there. If repetition is allowed, then 100 ways are there. Right. Now we will discuss the next question. 5th question. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 if digits can be repeated? So here only single option. We can use any number any times, but we have to form a 3-digit number, that's it. And the given digits are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 5 are there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. What are the given digits? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 5. Total 5 numbers or 5 digits. And to form a 3-digit number when repetition is allowed. The number of ways is equal to, see here, 3-digit number चाहिए. This is hundreds place and this is tens place and this is units place. Total 5 digits are there and there is no zero at all. Therefore, you can fill all the 5 numbers in hundreds place also in this question. Therefore, total 5 ways we can fill in hundreds place. Repetition allowed. Therefore, you have again 5 chances for tens places as well as for units places. Therefore, total number of ways is equal to 5 into 5 into 5, which is equal to 125 ways are there to form a 3-digit number. So, this is simple question. 6th question. A letter lock has 3 rings and each ring has 5 letters. Determine the maximum number of trials that may be required to open the lock. There is a lock. Okay. There are 3 rings. So let it be ring 1, ring 2 and ring 3. And how many letters we have? Lock has 3 rings but available letters are 5. Available letters are 5. So, for ring 1, the options, how many options are there? 5 letters you can use. Same for ring 2 also. The options are 5. See, in this question, is there any different word use किया है? No, na? Determine the maximum number of trials that may be required to open the lock. Like in second question, different signals. Like that here, different letters ऐसा कुछ भी use नहीं किया है. Therefore, repetition is allowed. Therefore, for ring 3, again the options are 5 only. Therefore, maximum number of trials required to open the lock. Trials to open the lock is 5 into 5 into 5, which is equal to 125 trials. Yes, good question and very helpful for some people it is. No way, don't use this technique for that purpose. Now question number 7, today's last question. In a test, 5 questions are there. I'll repeat. In a test, 5 questions are of the form state true or false. No student has got all answers correct. Also, the answer of every student is different. Find the number of students appeared for the test. That means total number of the students who appeared for the test we have to find. Total number of questions कितने हैं? 5. and for each question number of options 2. Therefore total number of our answers कितने हो सकता है वो फाइंड आउट करेंगे पहले. Total questions 5. Number of options for each question 2, either true or false. So question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ट्रू फॉल्स हो सकता है. सेम ट्रू फॉल्स फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन आल्सो. दिस क्वेश्चन आल्सो ट्रू फॉल्स. दिस क्वेश्चन आल्सो ट्रू फॉल्स. टोटल हाउ मेनी ऑप्शंस 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Therefore number of ways that a student means number of total number of answers ANSWERS आंसर्स. टोटल नंबर ऑफ आंसर्स कितने हो सकते हैं? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के लिए 2, दैट इज 2. सेकेंड के लिए भी 2 ऑप्शंस 2, 4, 5 विच इज इक्वल टू 32 different answers we can generate. And here the particularly given that किसी को भी आउट ऑफ आउट नहीं आया है. Even single student got all answers correct. Therefore number of students is equal to total answers minus 1 which is equal to 31. So this is the last question for today's session. Complete all these 7 questions in your classwork and tomorrow we will discuss next questions. ठीक है? Yes.